Morning everyone, Liliana from Vanillandcanela here. Welcome back to my channel. So today is Monday and it's the last day of half term. I am just about to go out to the cafe to meet some friends and just enjoy the last day of half term, and I'll catch up with you guys in a minute. Right, so I'm back from going to the cafe with friends and now I'm just making lunch. Alex has some friends over, so they're having their lunch, and Paul's bringing someone home, one of his friends, for lunch as well. So I'm going to got some spinach there, and I'm going to make some eggs with it, and then I'm going to serve it with some bagels, and I've got some pain au chocolat in the oven for afters. So it's all go but after 1 o'clock should be really quiet, so I'll have a catch up with you guys then. Hey everyone, so it's been a bit crazy this afternoon, not at all what I had in mind, but anyway, I'm just about to start dinner, and today I'm making Rojoes com ameijoas, which is pork with clams, and I'm going to make this in the Thermomix. But here are the clams, in case you don't know what they look like. I'm sure you do. These are already cooked, so I'm going to cook them for less time than you're supposed to in the recipe. Here's the pork, and on it, so you can tell it's a bit red, it's just got some garlic and paprika, smoked paprika, and I'm also going to do some cubed potatoes as part of the recipe. So yeah, let's crack on with that. So Alex had his little friends here most of the day today, and this is the outcome. You alright, Alex? So let's put some of this stuff away. So while dinner finishes cooking, and I'm sorry if it's a bit loud in here, I am just making sure that everything is ready for Alex to go back to school tomorrow. He's going to change from shirts to polo shirts because it's the summer uniform. So it will be a lot easier because he doesn't have to wear a tie. So when the days when he has PE, it'll be easy for him to put it back on. So I need to put some labels, and I might write on it as well in case the labels come off. But because the sun is starting to come out, I put a hat and I've labelled it as well, just making sure that everything is set for him to get back into school. Right, so here's the meat with the sauce that it cooked in. I've put it in this big bowl so I can add everything to it. So now I'm going to add the clams. So I've added the clams with the shells. That's how the dish usually looks. I'm now going to add the potatoes. So I've added the potatoes. Now I'm going to add the Portuguese pickles, which is like cauliflower and carrots, and some olives. Okay, so it's ready to serve. I've also made some rice to go on the side. So let me dish out. And here you are. I know it looks like a lot, but there's a lot of shells which will just be removed. Looks delicious. Guys, dinner was so delicious. There's these leftovers plus the rice. I'm going to pop this in the fridge. Tonight's going to be a little bit different for me because Paul has had to go back to work. He needs to, some of his students need to resit some exams, so I'm on my own for the bedtime routine, which I don't enjoy that much, you know, having to do everything by myself. Not only that, my dishwasher broke. Now, if you guys know, I got a new dishwasher, but it was actually second hand, and the amount of problems we've had with it, we only paid £50 for it, I get that, but we think it needs to replace the seal, so I'm having to hand wash everything. It's an extra job, right? So I'm just prepping because it's almost 6 o'clock. It's almost time to go and run Alex's bath, but I want to leave everything ready so when I come down, I just have to wash it and be done with it, right? So anyway, the dinner was spectacular. I will put a link below. It's a Portuguese recipe, so if you are Portuguese, you'll be able to follow it. It's also a Thermomix recipe. But if you guys would like me to try and make it for you using the normal, you know, stove, let me know. It won't be straight away because I'll have to find clams again. And did I tell you guys that I found the clams in Waitrose? I was so shocked, so happy as well. It's the first time I've ever found them in England, you know, without it being from a Portuguese supermarket. So anyway, let me know in the comments if you want me to do it, and I will for sure. But again, I won't make it straight away. It's quite, what's the word? An intense, not intense, but rich food. So I wouldn't make this every week. But anyway, if you guys want to see it, let me know, you know. Right, so I've tidied all the counters, cleaned the cooker, that side, and then boom, I'm going to do this after Alex. How cute is this little granddad cardigan? I got it in a charity shop. It's originally from Gap, and I paid $1.99. I think that is so cute, and it's perfect for this time of year. Also going to take in his roll-on, what do you call it, water resistant sun protection. Sorry, it took me a moment. I'm just going to put a label on it. I'm just going to set his uniform on his little chair, ready for tomorrow. So guys, I've been feeling a bit meh about my channel at the moment because I think I've done way too many hauls, and you guys are getting a bit bored by that. I think I have lost quite a few subscribers, and I think they'd come over from when I did the $5 Goodwill challenge, and because, sorry, can you still see me? I'm folding some clothes, and because I haven't done anything home decor-ish. What other Kraken? That glows? Okay, in a minute. Okay, so yeah, as I was saying, I think a lot of them that had subscribed to me probably unsubscribed because I've not done anything related to home decor or DIYs or anything like that. But it's such an awkward time. It looks like we are definitely moving. No firm date yet, but that's coming soon, we think. And once we do move, there's going to be so much stuff, you know. But until then, it's a bit, because obviously I don't want to do anything more to this house. What's the point? So guys, please just bear with me if you are still here. Now, saying all that about the hauls, I have actually got filmed a Primark, Poundland and B&M haul. If you do want to see that, give me a thumbs up. If I get to about 50 likes, I will publish that haul. If not, I'll take that as a hint that you guys have had enough of hauls. But also I'm working on what's for dinner. So I've already been filming what I'm gonna put together in a video for you, and I was thinking that I might do as an extra video as an extra one on a Sunday. If you guys do really like it, I'll do it every Sunday for the previous week. So there is stuff happening, just bear with me. because I am feeling in a bit of a rut myself. And also for the past 2-3 weeks, Alex has been off school, so I have had to do things slightly different and take into account that I'm not at home, and you know, so it's been a bit all over the place. I'm going to stop apologising for that now anyway. And guys, can we just talk about, look at his little boxer shorts. He's got little, so cute. I love it. So anyway, I'm going to put these little clothes away for Alex, and he's in the bath at the moment, so you could probably hear him, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hi everyone, good morning. So I've just realised whilst I'm editing the video that I forgot to finish the vlog yesterday, so I just wanted to come on here and say bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and feel free to leave me a comment down below. I love answering you guys, so see you next time. Bye.